السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا نورة أحمد وأنت بتتفرج عليا عشان تحسن الإنجليش بتاعك for better English. النهاردة هنتكلم عن أصوات الحروف الإنجليزية اللي هي sounds of alphabet، أصوات الحروف الإنجليزية أو أصوات الحروف الهجائية. Don't forget like and subscribe for my video. عندنا الحروف الإنجليش 26 letters و 44 sounds، 26 حرف و 44 صوت. الأصوات بتختلف عن الحروف، الأحرف لها أسماء ولها أصوات. يعني حرف ال A اسمه A لكن صوته A. The sound of letter A is A. A is for apple. A apple. B is for ball. هنعرفها مع بعض. Sound letter A is A. A. A is for apple. A apple. B is for ball. Ball. Don't forget to like my channel. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. أكني بقول حرف ال E F is for fish. Fish. G is for girl. Girl. H is for hen. Hen. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jacket. Jacket. K is for K. K. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. B is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. Snake. T is for teddy bear. Teddy bear. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for window. Window. X is for fox. Fox. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zebra. Zebra. If you arrive at this part of my video, thanks for watching. Until next time, be happy. Don't forget, like, follow and share.